Hello and welcome to the Meguiars UK YouTube channel. Today we're going to be showing you how to use our brand new hybrid ceramic wash and wax and our hybrid ceramic wash mitt. So just like the other products in our hybrid ceramic range, this product utilises advanced SiO2 technology to enhance water beading, protect and give a slickness of finish all through the washing process. So as you can see, this is not like a regular shampoo. It has two compartments. Now the first compartment is your shampoo. That's going to give you that cleaning power. Then the second part, the smaller area, is your SiO2 boost. This is going to give you that water beading and protection. First of all, add 3 ounces, which is 3 capfuls of the shampoo solution. So we do have our hybrid ceramic dual-sided mitt as well. So as you can see, we have the orange noodle side for the cleaning and then the soft microfiber side for the application of the SiO2 boost. So during the washing process, we'll show you how to flip this and get that nice spread of product. I like to put the wash mitt down noodle side first into the bucket before I add the SiO2 boost. Add ½ ounce, which is half a cap, of the SiO2 boost to your shampoo solution. Priming the mitt is key at this point because you want to make sure that SiO2 boost is fed into those microfibers. So we've rinsed off the loose contaminants from the car, now it's time to hit it with the shampoo. So we're going to go noodle side first to clean the surface and then flip to the opposite side to spread that SiO2. So with the product applied to the surface, just rinse away like a regular shampoo. So as you can see, we've utilised that shampoo solution along with the SiO2 boost to clean and protect in one simple step. So that's the introduction to our brand new hybrid ceramic wash and wax shampoo. Now for more information on our other products in the hybrid ceramic range, check out the other videos in this playlist. Remember to like, share and subscribe and tap that notification bell to be notified when the next video is uploaded.